Well, we're taking a look at the weather today. This weather going on is exactly what we talked about in class before break. That when we get the good snowstorms during the winter, they're from low pressure systems. Well, what we have here is the weather underground map, which we've used in class before, and here's the low pressure. And as you can see, we've got behind it this cold front, and this is that very cold air that they've been talking about for the last couple days. And as remember, we got a counterclockwise rotation, and so we'll see this snow start to come in from the east. We talked about in class most major systems go from the southwest to the northeast, and sure enough, this one is moving in this direction, which would be the northeast. This one's also dragging up the warm air and the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and we're going to see this counterclockwise rotation here. Now we're going to see if we can flip over to the map of the jet stream. Notice the jet stream coming straight down, dipping in here, and here's our front line right along the path of the jet stream. Remember we talked about the jet stream being the conveyor belt. Also the subequatorial jet right here is bringing in this moisture coming up from the south. Warm air. And it's been fairly, it's 30 degrees yesterday, it's 28 or so now. But as this moves along, what's happening, all this cold air behind it's going to filter in. And you can see what's happening. This cold air from the Arctic is being brought down by the jet stream, and it's moving up in this direction. So this is all cold air. Notice how this air is getting turned. This air is getting turned in a counterclockwise rotation also. And so as this moves up and out, and the whole thing moves from from west to east, we're going to be tapping into this cold air behind it. So if we go back to this map, and you can see it's following along that jet stream path. So we've got the jet stream coming down in here, going up in this direction, and the whole system is moving west to east. And so that's what's kind of going on today. It's kind of fun to look at this, talking about the, oops, I guess it just changed. And so as this moves, we're going to find that we're going to start getting some lake effect a little bit later as this frontal system moves through. So we'll see what happens with it.